I went to Costco to grab something real quick, but I just wanted to share with y'all some of the furniture. The furniture, it doesn't change that much, but they really have some nice big family sectionals. If you're looking for it looks a little messy right now, that one right there, but that one's so stinking cozy, so big. If you have like a family room, if you have a big living room, if you have like a movie theater room, those are so cozy. They have this right here, and they have like nice neutral colors too, and a lot of them come with storage. This one is 3 boxes. I saw somebody loading one of the sectionals up into 2 cars, like 2 vans, when I was coming in. It wasn't this one, it was one with 2 boxes, or maybe it was one with 3 boxes, and somebody had left already. But yeah, so you'll need, if you're going to do it, you're going to need like a big unit to to travel in, to carry it, or you can get it delivered. But if you can, have a friend with a big van, you can carry it. This one is my favorite. I love this. I just wish I had space for it. um because I just think it's so stinking cozy. It's so cute. Kind of has like that corduroy look, but it's like real cozy. I love that. This desk I love too. So it looks like just like a media center or something like that. But then you could swivel it out, and then you can use it as a desk. You can use it as storage. You can use it, as a console table. You use it a bunch of different ways, like a multi-use. I love a multi-use piece. Um, that's how much that little sofa is. That I love that thing. This right here, another one with storage, and then it has like that, that circle kind of look. A lot of people are going for that circle kind of look. This one has it. It does get dirty quick, as you can see from the thing. So I would definitely scotch guard this, and put it in maybe not a high traffic type area. It's $369.99 for that one right there. The other prices for the sofa. Um, so yeah, they have a lot of good ones, and I know a lot around this time, a lot of people buy like new furniture pieces and different things like that. So I just wanted to show you what Costco has. This recliner right here, super cute, super cozy, and then another one that's neutral. I love a good neutral color because it can fit in a lot of spaces. And then like their vanities, media centers, console tables, what have you, and stuff. Love these. They always have like such nice big pieces, cute little details on them. You see, like, I love the nice clean looking top with the colors, just something different too that you can grab, like not like traditional. I get distracted by blankets. I'm always like grabbing a throw blanket or something like that. Most of these felt so soft, so nice. A lot of them like king, queen sizes for those right there. They have like some quilt ones too. This one right here has like a lot of cute little kind of modern details, and it's that same big size. I think they put the door on a little askew because it didn't close right, but put yours on right. And then, because you get it in a box, you have to assemble it. These blankets right here, another one, and just like some nice colors too. So the cream, the brown, that blue that just like pops. I know a lot of people, I feel like a lot of people are going away from the blue, but a lot of people were doing the blue at one time. This one right here, I was thinking of, I spent a minute there because I thought about calling my daughter because she's looking for pieces pieces for her place, and I thought this one would be good because she can use it as the entertainment center, but then also for storage. And it's only 400 $399.99. I thought that one was a good one. But yeah, Costco right now, a lot of cute furniture pieces, a lot of cute throws because it's still cold outside. It is still cold outside. And then too, you put them in where you're using for next year. This set, it felt so good. This felt so good. So you get the comforter, and then you get 2 shams. And that one came in a few different colors too. And then they have like the ones for the kids, like the cartoon characters, different things like that. This heated one I found interesting, but the little heating pieces, the coils in there, just from that little piece right there that it felt kind of stiff, kind of hard. So I don't know how many of those coils they put through the whole thing though, but that piece, this, I wasn't looking for this, but the heat that it was giving off as I walked past, I feel like this would keep you nice and toasty right now. So that one was another one. They have the air purifier. I'm always looking at pet things because that one said pet on it. Because we have the dogs, and one of them sheds a lot. This right here, I don't know why it caught my eye, but 1,600. Is this how much we're paying for these things? I don't know what this is and what we're freeze drying, but whatever. I don't know if that was like a good price or a bad price. This bag, loved. If you're looking for a travel bag, a little tote bag, so I did find it in another color too. But this one was on sale, $10 off, so $29.99. But it has like a bunch of little outside pockets. It has the inside pockets. It has the zipper on the bottom compartment. It has the little cloth, just so cute. I love that one. I know it is cold outside, but just in case you want to grab those beach blankets and stuff like that now, they have like the cartoon characters. They have Bluey, they have Hello Kitty, they had Spider-Man, and then they had other ones too, just regular ones. So yeah, if you're looking to get a jump on the beach season, $10 for these right now. So they had the beach towels there on sale at Costco. And then another one that I was just roaming and I saw, I do a lot of crafting. And these ribbon was so cute. And then you get like 50 yards. 50 yards. So many cute prints and stuff like that. I know they probably intended them for like gift wrapping and stuff like that. But if you are a crafter, these would be great to grab too. $8 for those for 50 yards. And then of course too, they have the wrapping paper and stuff too that you can grab. $15 for that. And you get like a 3-pack of those right there. And then again, another one that I stumbled upon in Costco. I was just stumbling upon things on my way to try to find what I was looking for. These flowers, so they are fake flowers, but they have a really nice feel to them. So just a cute little bouquet to put out. Like, I knew they were fake flowers when I walked up, and when I touched them I said, wait, are these real? I had to go back and double check. But yeah, those were cute. And then I found the bag in black, so that was the only black one I saw. So I guess everybody's going for the black one. But yeah, just super cute that bag is. They have like a lot of good deals at Costco right now. They have the 50-pack of the velvet hangers. They have those. Just a lot of cute things. So like if you're getting ready for the spring, you're getting ready to organize different things. This is what I came here for. I came here to look for a new air fryer. They had one on sale. I missed it though. So I was trying to see if there was another option that I was going to get. But yeah, Costco too. You should always look at their appliances stuff, and a lot of times they'll have like a good sale and a good deal, and they carry a lot of the appliances, like small appliances, kitchen appliances, and stuff like that that I do have. So yeah, I always check before I go anyplace else to see if they're having a deal. They had a deal on these blenders right here. Because it is the season, it's the new year, everybody wants to get in shape and stuff. So you look for like a smoothie blender, like a good one on the go. This one has like the little handles and stuff like that, and it's on sale right now at Costco.